Ready, start. In the order passed on February 18, 2026, in the case VBR Menon versus the Chief Controller of Explosives, Petroleum and Explosives Safety Organization, PESO, Nagpur, and 8 others, a Madras High Court division bench consisting of the Chief Justice Mahindra Mohan Srivastava and Justice G. Arul Murugan has pointed out that the material which is floating at the surface requires much deeper and fair investigation by examining the role of beneficiaries for whose benefit the entire system is operating. Para. The High Court has stated that it gave to the respondent authorities more than one opportunity to come out with a satisfactory response, but till date, no satisfactory response has come, much less fair investigation by the concerned investigating agency. Para. The court has stated that without any hesitation it can say that the manner in which the investigation has been held or any further investigation that is going on is not in proper direction, and the investigating agency has registered offences only against those who are involved in preparing fake no objection certificates, except in Erode and Dindigul district. In other cases, the role of beneficiaries have not been examined despite our directions issued from time to time. Para. The petitioner has moved the court for direction to the respondents 1 and 2, the Joint Chief Controller of Explosives, Chennai, to cancel all the final explosives license issued by the respondent 2 to respondents 4 to 7, Messrs. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Messrs. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Messrs. HPC Limited, and Messrs. Naina Limited to establish and operate petroleum retailer outlets in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry by accepting the forged and fabricated copies of no objection certificates of district authorities and accompanying documents without verification, and consequently to initiate appropriate criminal and civil actions in accordance with law against the second and fourth to seventh respondents for the offences committed by them. Para. While hearing a habeas corpus petition in the case of Messrs. Lalitha in the matter of detention based on certain allegations that the petitioner's husband and his associates created fake no objection certificates as though those were issued by the Commissioner of Police, Chennai, using fake seal as well as forged signatures of the authority. The court felt the need of deciding the larger issue of fake no objection certificates obtained by various parties. This also raises a serious doubt about the role of the beneficiaries. The beneficiaries thereafter carried these no objection certificates to obtain explosive license. Para. In this manner, without there being any no objection certificate issued by the competent authority after conducting an inspection as required under the explosive laws and in conformity with rules contained in Rule 131 of the Petroleum Rules 2002. Large number of explosive licenses were issued and the beneficiaries on the basis of these explosive licenses have established and have been operating various petroleum outlets. The power of the High Court to direct independent investigation by other agency has been considered by a constitution bench of the Supreme Court in the case State of West Bengal and others versus Committee for Petroleum of Democratic Rights West Bengal and others 2010 3 SCC 571 wherein the court has held as under 68.7 if in terms of entry true of list second of the 7th schedule on the one hand and entry 2A and entry 80 of list 1 on the other, an investigation by another agency is permissible subject to grant by the state concerned. There is no reason as to why in an exceptional situation court would be precluded from exercising the same power which the union could exercise in terms of the provisions of the statute.